The tendon stretch follows the stomach massage, so the springs are already set up with 2 on the outside, no springs on the inside. The pad comes to the very edge, and as we step up, only 1/3 of the foot hangs off, the toes lift. And the hips are in front of the bar as we press out, and the hips stay in front of the bar as we come up, as if there's a painted wall behind you, and you don't want to scrape your bottom on the wall. So you press out, with the powerhouse working to move the legs straight out, and you lift in front of the bar. We can do advanced variations here with one leg front for 3 times, and then we can take the arm, the outside arm and the inside, and bring the leg to the side for 3. This is deeply strengthening for the hip. And we can take the leg behind and work the control of pressing out and bringing the carriage back in from there. Then the leg can go side and back, side and back, side and back, and then back side, back and side, back and side for a combination that is extremely advanced. So on the other side, the variations are the same. We go out and up 3 times with the leg in front, and then side and up, side and up, side and up, and then leg is up high behind, and we press out and in. You can see all these variations practiced below and taught below how to build them. So you go side and back, side and back, side and back, and then back and side, back and side, back and side. So scroll down and see our experts at work.